Got Miss JiMin here.
Hello.
Hey everyone, happy Saturday. It's Kat from Cat Warren Photo, and I'm here at the Spreckles Pavilion, Spreckles Oregon Pavilion here at Balboa Park. I'm getting ready to do another photo shoot. Running a little bit late, so I wanted to be on station by 7 o'clock and actually start setting up because I have a few props in mind. But I'm going to be photographing JiMin today. And I'm over here with Shay from Blackwing Photography. Hey Shay.
Hey.
What we're working with, we're doing macaroon shoots here. And she has her tea as well. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, we are halfway through and can't wait to edit these photos and show you guys what we got. So, peace. Bye.